OZZYBEE.
Hello, Ruggedy Baba. Fine, thank you, and you, sir.
I'm good.
Sir, I have nothing to give you for your love and support. Please accept this token gift from my heart.
No problem. Thank you.
I love you, and may God bless you, sir.
Amen.
My respect.
Amen, and you too. Thanks a lot. Gang, gang.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. This is like receiving an award. Let's do it like receiving an award. Thank you much. Thank you.
Yeah, Ruggedy Baba. We can't thank you enough. Having you as a big uncle, as a big brother, as a mentor is fantastic. And we just said, may the Lord also stand for you when you need Him.
Amen.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much.
Thank you.